Ladle is an AI-powered personal sous chef to help women nourish themselves in midlife. I want to walk you through a few key features of our mobile-first web app. When you come to Ladle, you are able to choose recipes by dietary preferences, cuisine type, health and social goals, occasions, time, and macros. This makes it easy to find something that fits both your body and your schedule. If you select hormonal health, you will get all these recipes that will support you as you navigate perimenopause and menopause. I love this feature, What's in Your Kitchen. You can just take a photo of your fridge or type the ingredients that you have, and we will generate recipes based on what you already have, without having to go to the grocery store and reducing waste. Cook allows you to follow step-by-step directions for any recipe. Personalize makes it yours by choosing your diet or serving sizes. Shop takes you to Instacart so you can order all the ingredients for same-day delivery. From here, you can take the recipe, personalize it, and order ingredients through Instacart, all within 60 seconds. This is my favorite. When you choose a recipe, the Ladle sous chef, which is actually your cooking assistant that proactively asks how it can help you, like substitute ingredients, make the recipe simpler, or just cook the way you usually do. The more it learns about your cooking habits, the better suggestions it can make to make your cooking experience fun, easy, and personal, so you have time for things that matter. Go to app.ladle.cooking and get a recipe to nourish yourself.